Right into this world, all alone.
Something happens at around 92 miles an hour. Suddenly, you're not on the road. You're in it. A part of it.
He's writing his own manuscript again, huh? Yep.
Maybe that's the lesson for me today. To hold on to these simple moments. Appreciate them a little more.
Is Clay the new Piney now?
Things that love you. Run to them.
What the hell is going on here? Who was that dude?
That's it, let's go.
Whoa, that's a bit extreme, isn't it? Oh wait, I thought they were cops. Apparently they're not. That's the end of you, curly hair. God, these Niners are worthless. They're having machine guns, and the Sons have guns, pistols, handguns. And yet they are not killing them off, despite superior weaponry?
We're doing Piney's thing today.
I know.
You don't have to come.
I can't.
Piney's thing? What does that
Training
mean?
my new replacement. Starting my new duties.
She's a coach now, huh? That's an okay job.
I don't know how we do this, Tara. I don't know where it all goes.
Eat your cereals, little guy. And don't eavesdrop.
I'm taking the boys with me. I got them into the daycare center at the hospital.
Gemma, no?
Not yet.
Does she care? Would she care? I think she's too busy fucking some random new dude.
You a pimp?
I'm a companionator. I bring folks together. I'm all about the love.
I sucked your dick too, didn't I? Oh, Jesus. I did a spick pimp.
Yeah, and I did a drunken cracker MILF. You can use my shower. I have clean towels in there. I'm gonna head downstairs and have some coffee, a little Advil. You can join me. I'll get you a ride home.
No, thank you. I don't think we need you on the show. At least a companionator is not what I'm looking for watching this.
Did you, tell me attacking the truck was because of me? Had nothing to do with the guns?
Didn't matter. The Irish hanging out to this cartel deal by a thin red hair. One more snafu. They bail.
He looks like he aged 10 years.
You're surrounded by barely legal pussy. What the hell are you doing picking up old broads? Some kind of granny fetish? About the Olsen twins.
That was all you, baby.
Really? Wow.
You still got it, huh? What was she thinking? Why is he going for that old broad? When he could have me.
Glad you decided to do this.
It's not for me, it's for my kids.
Where are your kids? Haven't seen them in ages.
The truth will come out, man. It just can't be now. I'm sorry you see that as a betrayal.
The betrayal that I see is Clay not being the one going in that hole.
That would be inappropriate. To let him share one grave with Piney.
What I know is that the gavel turns shit around.
I'm not gonna turn into Clay.
I'm more afraid that I'm gonna turn into you.
Ouch.
Thought you were at Piney's memorial.
No, man, I forgot. I didn't realize that today was...
Where you been? You look like hell.
None of your business, dude.
Clay is here. He come to pick up the rest of his shit.
Thought you'd be at the cemetery.
I'm feeling really uncomfortable.
Can we talk? Please? 2 minutes?
2 minutes.
Just put him out of his misery. Jesus. Who wants to look at that?
Your involvement with John's death. Stuff he says about you. And some of those letters. I take that to my grave.
Damn straight you will.
I'll keep Rico off your back.
And when are they off my back for good?
When I don't need you anymore.
So, never.
Now, I'm sure Galindo's crew embraces Uncle Sam's help, but how would the street react to that? Anyone around here finds out you're doubling up as a Fed, you're swaying Cali ain't shit.
You shouldn't threaten these guys.
Where's Jax? I hear he's your new president.
It's not here. What do you want?
Are you guys aware of the violence that's happening in Charming?
Nope. They're just a bunch of mechanics. How should they know?
Then who would attack your auto parts truck outside of Modesto last night?
Angry pirates?
One innocent gets hurt, and I make Pope look like an altar boy. You understand?
I see what you did there. I love Catholic jokes.
You know, remember the two nuns? Yeah. They walk in with that cloth.
The beer! Save it, Teddy! Oh, Christ. He's Pope? I don't really like him as an actor.
Shit, man, is that Leroy?
Most of it.
What?
Kinda lost my shit. Congratulations. You in charge.
What is this shit? You replaced Leroy with some no-name?
Our Nomad chart is disbanding. Right. We got Frankie Diamonds, Go-Go, and Greg the Peg looking to land in Charming.
Greg the Peg?
Sorry I'm late. Sit down.
You're not giving orders here. Not anymore. Wait, is Bobby the VP now?
Lobo Cartel did not kill Piney. I did.
Way to piss in your face, Jax.
He was a fifth of Patron deep. When I arrived, I could hardly get out an argument when he drew on me.
What the fuck is his plan here?
I planned on telling everybody what went down. Hope he found out the truth before I could do that. He's the one that shot me.
What? What? Why'd you lie, man?
To protect Obi. Yeah, of course.
I don't blame Hope for trying to kill me. I only wish I could explain to him what happened.
Give me a minute.
Why are you even tolerating his lie? Why don't you just tell them the truth? Now they think he's some kind of tragic hero.
What's your place, son? I mean, I get why you stopped Opie, but you found out about JT. How come you didn't kill me?
He told you why.
You never wanted this cartel deal. Why would you give a shit if the Irish are happy?
Just trying to do what's best for Sam Crow.
That's right. Let's keep lying to each other.
Who the hell decided to put them in daycare?
Me and the mother.
We don't let other people raise our children. It's selfish and lazy.
They're not your children. Also, you weren't around. You were too busy sucking dick.
So now you have my number. In case you ever need anything.
What kind of gang is he running? Who are those people?
What am I supposed to do with this?
Kill Teller.
Yeah, good luck with that.
Just tell me what you need.
Thought you pulled weapons.
I did.
Jesus Christ.
What the fuck?
You, what's your name?
Tyler.
Well, Tyler, you need to go back to your crew and tell them the beef with the Sons is done. There ain't nothing to think over. Go.
Yeah. All right.
Well, go.
All right.
Take it easy on him. He's still trying to remember his name.
You should have told me the truth, Clay.
I didn't know how. Sorry.
What's he up to? He's got to have some plan.
And no, I'll come and get her. No. Yeah. Yeah, all right. Yeah, thanks.
This about his daughter again?
What's that?
Oakland detectives stopped Don.
Oakland PD just called. Another 2 witnesses came in and identified Tig Traeger as the guy that ran down Veronica Pope.
Well, get out the handcuffs, huh?
Detective Goodman, Oakland PD. You Traeger?
Yeah. What's done?
Oh, it's a trap. Haha.
Walk.
No, man. I'm not going anywhere.
Shut up! Move.
Is this guy working for Pope? Oh, right next to Leroy's little hole. Still room for one more. Oh, she's still alive. She was breathing.
Baby.
No! No! Hey, baby.
Oh.
Ah! Let me go!
Wait a second.
No! God damn it! Let me go! Let me go!
Ah, baby. Ah.
I am gonna cut your ugly black head off.
And I can't wait to see that. Pope is such a bad cast, in my opinion. He's not intimidating at all. He's actually nothing at all. Not interesting, not charismatic, nothing. His right-hand man is actually a much more present, much stronger character so far.
Say what you mean.
I smell weed and alcohol on your breath every morning.
And right now I smell cum, too.
I need Jax.
Why?
Let me talk to him, please.
Why is he still at her home? What the fuck? That's not going to work.
Yeah, I got it.
Oh. Oh.
I got you.
Oh. David Copperfield.
Alright?
Hey, yeah, we're fine.
Peace.
Man, poor guy. He's just a cleaner.
Sheriff's at the clubhouse. Look for us. Next stop is here.
You gotta go, Jax.
No, you can't run. That's insane.
And getting shivved to death isn't?
He's not gonna end up a fugitive.
He
I'm
is
sorry.
not going
No,
to
we
jail.
have two small boys.
That's exactly the point. And why do you
Stop!
There's no running from this.
I know where you can go. You'll be safe.
Your dad's house again? Maybe you could visit him while you're at it.
There you go, buddy. Chow time. Doing okay.
I don't think so. That's definitely not the bird from the first couple of seasons. Wasn't that some big white dude? fuck is this? Someone without a full detect answer? In Gemma's house? Huh? Who could be after Gemma at this point? Nobody. Except this is maybe Nero's plan? To get close to her? Oh, Gemma, someone broke into your house. Come live with me. I protect you. Some shit like that. Only other possibility is Pope once again, and I hope they don't keep him for too long, this Pope dude.